Hi friends, today I am going to show how to disassemble HP COMPAQ 510. First remove the battery and take the screwdriver, remove the all screw for the laptop bottoms. Okay, then you rotate the laptop and remove the RAM covers and remove the hard disk cover also, and again you take the screwdriver and remove the hard disk gently like this and keep it aside, and remove the RAM also and gently remove like this one by one, keep it aside because this is very sensitivity part, and remove this cover also, and two cables are inside, gently remove like this. Okay, two cables are there, remove one by one. Okay, and remove the disk drive also, in that two screws are there, and remove this, and again you turn the laptop and take the sufficient tweezer and remove the power panel like this, and keyboard also remove gently because in between one keyboard connector also remove like this, and power connector also gently remove. Okay, then here three screws are there, you can remove, and remove the display connector also, and this is a speaker, and remove the screws. Okay, then you rotate the PC and remove the cables slowly. Okay, this is the sticker and you can remove easily. Okay, remove like this, and remove the display. Okay, then you remove the panel and mouse pad inside, you remove the mouse connector, and this is the connectors, this is the processor connector, and gently remove, and cable inside you can remove like this. Okay, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.